On numbers 18 through 20, we're using this information and this graph to answer this question right here. So triangle ABC is graphed in a coordinate plane, and in case you can't tell, some of these graphs are kind of small, it gives you the specific vertices right here. So make sure on your test, I think the graph is even smaller on the test, make sure you pay attention to the coordinates right here. So it tells you that A is at 3, 4, B is at 7, 2, and C is at 5, negative 3. Here's the problem, the question here. It says triangle ABC will be reflected across the line x equals 3 to form the image triangle. We want to select all quadrants of the coordinate plane that will contain at least one vertex of the new triangle. So we're going to perform that reflection on this triangle to see where those image points end up. So remember, you need to know what this line looks like, x equals 3. X equals 3 is the line that's formed with all points that have an x coordinate of 3. So remember, that is a vertical line. If you had y equals a number, remember that's a horizontal line. All the points have the same y coordinate then. So really make sure you know the difference between those two. So x equals 3 is every single point has an x of 3. So all of these points that have an x of 3 are on that vertical line right here. So this is the line we are reflecting across. So since A is on that line, A has an x of 3, A is not moving. So A prime will be in that same location. Point B, however, is not on the line. It is 1, 2, 3, 4 units to the right of the line. So we know B prime needs to be on the other side of the line 4 units. So 4 units to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is where B prime will be located. C is not on the line. It is 2 units to the right of the line. So C prime will be 2 units to the left of the line. So here is C prime. So here is my reflected triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. So let's look at what quadrants contain at least one vertex, okay? Not part of the triangle, but one of the vertices. So it'll only be 3 quadrants since there's only 3 vertices. So which quadrant is A prime in? It's in the first quadrant where everything is positive. So one of our vertices is in quadrant 1. Where is B prime located? It is in the second quadrant. So we have a vertex in the second quadrant. And then C is located in the fourth quadrant. So we have quadrant 4 containing a vertex. So even though it looks like our triangle goes through the third quadrant, it doesn't contain a vertex of the triangle. So do not choose quadrant 3 as one of your answers. Now, 19 and 20 also are including this information. It asks for the coordinates of B prime. So you can go up to your reflected figure here, and we're just given the coordinates of B prime. So to get to that point from the origin, we go left 1 and up 2. So that means the coordinates of B prime would be negative 1, positive 2. So left 1, up 2.